Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. This is Maggie Paul here. This week's topic is health and organizations. I will be talking about the uncertainty management theory. We will be discussing the following. Uncertainty management theory is the idea of not knowing something. It results in a wide range of emotions from anxiety to stress. In health organizations, this means not knowing the underlying issue or not getting a diagnosis. This is individually centered, and it's the state of mind of the person that is experiencing it, no matter how much information they have. Information acquisition is the first part of uncertainty management theory. This is all the different ways someone might meet information day to day. It includes information gathering activities. These can be intentional, purposeful, goal-directed, or unintentional. Information seeking might include intentional gathering of information, such as asking questions or observing others and searching information systems, such as books or the internet. Information avoidance is the intentional act and goal-directed behavior. This is choosing not to obtain knowledge that is openly available. An example could be if you're on a diet, you might prefer not to look at the calories on the dessert you're about to eat. Information handling is how people handle the information they receive. So this is storing information. It could mean taking notes or recording information. And lastly, information use is who uses what information, how the information is used, for what purpose or why that information is used, and to what effect. So here I will be showing you a video that I think includes the uncertainty management theory.
So sit here.
Throughout that clip, we saw all of the steps in the uncertainty management theory. So the information acquisition was when June, the blonde girl, she was seeing what her new life will be like. The information seeking was when she was observing what her new life would be like with the other girls in the room. Information avoidance is when she looks away when she sees Janine, the brunette girl with the curly hair, being punished. Information handling was when she looked down after seeing the result of talking back to Aunt Lydia. And the information use she got out of this is that now she knows that she should always be on her best behavior in order to avoid being punished. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this, and please let me know if you have any questions.